This is a nice little kitchen knife sharpener with a really strong suction cup. I was really impressed by how strong this suction cup is. It's a lot stronger than I even thought it would be. I think this is a nice little sharpener for knives that are used to cut stuff like vegetables and fruits and stuff like that, or knives that are pretty sharp already and maybe just need a little sharpening. So for like super dull knives, this might not be that, but for your kitchen, for keeping in the drawer, and you just need to sharpen your knife just a little bit, this is great. It's really small. It sticks to a flat surface really, really good. Works great. I like it. Have yourself a great day.